wonders of space have always captivated humanity. For the maiden Indian human spaceflight mission, Gaganyaan, ISRO, in collaboration with the Indian Air Force, selected the crew from a pool of talented test pilots. These pilots underwent a battery of clinical, aeromedical, and psychological tests. Finally, the National Crew Selection Board recommended 4 test pilots from the Indian Air Force for the Gaganyaan crew training program. The selected crew members were trained at the Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center, Russia, for a period of about 13 months. This training covered various aspects of a space mission, such as parabolic flights, survival training in off-nominal snow, desert, and water landing, as well as extreme environment stressors. After returning, the astronauts are being trained in the newly established training facility. Through the Gaganyaan crew training simulators, mock-ups, and state-of-the-art virtual reality tools, the space crew is also getting trained in various human-centric products and survival scenarios. Physical fitness of the crew is maintained through a rigorous physical training regime. A specialized yoga module is also incorporated in the physical training curriculum for holistic health management of the astronauts. They will also be assigned for ISRO NASA mission to the International Space Station, announced by the Honorable Prime Minister. This incredible feat will take Bharat to greater heights. Akasha Bhavantam Pratikshate.